Let's start with calculating the total tip. Well, to calculate the total tip, first of all, we'll need the entered bill, right? The amount of the bill. And we need to multiply that by the percentage of the tip that the user wants to give. That means all of that will have to be driven inside of our own value change, inside of our slider. Because the idea is once something is entered, let's say 100, so we will always have 1 for the split by state. And so the driving method here, the driving mechanism, if you will, is going to be the slider. So we are going to dynamically, as the slider slides left or right, we're increasing the percentage we want to give. We're going to also calculate the tip amount. So inside of our slider here, this is where we are going to say something like this. First of all, we need to create a state. So I'm going to say tip amount state dot value. Notice we haven't created this yet. It's going to be equal to, well, it's going to be equal to a function that will calculate the total tip. So I'm going to say calculate total tip, which will require us to pass total bill, that value, and the tip percentage. So tip percentage like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and create first the tip amount. So going up again, still inside of our function here, val tip amount state, well, to remember, mutable state of, and it's going to be a double because that's what we're going to be expecting. So 0.0 to start with. Going down here, we still have to create this calculate total tip. So what we can do here, you can actually go click right there and say create function, calculate total tip, enter, and you can see it's created at the bottom here. And before we do that, let's, instead of saying value for the arguments, named argument here, I'm going to say total bill, and instead of string, let's say double, because that's what we need. We have to transform that into double, and tip percentage, it's fine as an int. All right, so here I'm going to say return, and I'm going to check. I'm going to say if total bill amount is greater than 1, because we don't want to start looking or to calculate this calculate total tip if total bill is not greater than 1. And in this case, I'm going to say total bill to string. I just want to make sure that is not empty as such. If that's the case, I'm going to put a new line. I'm going to say total bill. In this case, I'm going to multiply this by tip percentage, and let's divide that by 100 so we get the right value. I'm going to say else. In another case, we're just going to return 0.0. So what we're saying here, we're going to calculate total bill only if total bill is greater than 1 and total bill is not empty. And then we get that total bill multiplied by the percentage, which we're going to be passing there, and we divide that by 100. In any other case, we're just going to say return 0.0. In any other case, we're just going to return 0.0 because remember, it expects to return a double. Okay, let's go where we are calling this. And of course, we're going to have some issues here. First of all, let's go ahead and just add the named parameters here just to make it more clear. Total, like that, and this is going to be percentage or tip percent is equal to that. Okay, this is good so that we know exactly what we're passing. Either way would have worked, but named parameters or arguments are really good. All right, so we have an issue here because we need, in fact, if we have over, it's going to say change parameter total bill type function to return a string. What we want actually is to make this say that to double, because that's what the value that we want. Okay, the type anyway. So now we have our tip amount, which is going to be this string here. It should be changing accordingly as we slide left or right or increase or decrease our tip percentage. Where is this going to be called? Well, if we go up here, we can see it's going to be called here. This is where our tip amount should be called. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And I'm going to give space, say tip amount state, get that value as such. Okay, let's see if this is true. Let's go ahead and run. Okay, there it is. And of course, we're going to have to enter, let's say 100. It's a nice number. And then let's see if this works. So as you start increasing the value, you can see 32%. the total tip is going to be $32, right? Very good. So this is indeed working. If I go to 0, you can see, well, there's no tip. So there is $0 that we need to add for our tip. Okay, very simple. Now, one thing we can do, of course, because things are getting a little bit chaotic in that we have all our code inside of main activity, and this is not a good thing. And so what we need to do is, let's go back to our project, and I'm going to create yet another package. So new package, let's call this utils, or util, like this. And inside here, I'm going to create a file, Kotlin class or file. I'm going to call this util. Okay, so here I'm just going to go ahead and get that function, this calculate function, and because these functions are treated, and I'm going to add there. And going back to main, I'm going to have some issues. I'm going to click here. It's going to say, I don't know where calculate total tip is. That means we need to import. So Alt or Option Enter, whichever way you want, and voila, now things are good. So we have refactored a little bit of our code. All right, there it is. We're now able to calculate our tip.